Hello, in this quick video I'll be showing you how to configure your system speed dials. I'll be assuming you already have your login details, otherwise ask your installer. So hit the like button and let's get started. As you very well know, system speed dials can be accessed by any extension on your phone system by hitting the auto dial store button and a 3-digit speed dial code. Or if it's on an analog extension, they can hit the star and then the 3-digit speed dial code. So once you've logged in with your admin account or installer account, on the left hand side hit PBX configuration, feature, and then system speed dial. Once you're in, you can put an entry in any location. You can go to the second page, pick a location, put an entry in. Okay, so the first 3 digits are the speed dial codes that I was talking about at the start. So you put the name in the second column there as it's labeled at the top, and the number must start with the access code, the trunk access code, which is 0 in this case, then the phone number. So if it's a mobile, you put in there 0 and then 04 and then whatever the number is. Okay, so then you'll want to save your entries by hitting apply or OK. So apply just saves it but keeps the page open. OK saves it and closes the page. You have room for 1,000 entries, so make sure you use them sparingly. Only kidding. Out of the hundreds of customers I've put together, only one has requested to go beyond the 1,000 mark. So if we go back to the first page, we can see what this customer has in there already. So you can see that the entries are incorrect. They're missing the access code at the front, so these entries would never work. So I'll just put it in there for them. And also, if these numbers ever called in, their names would not pop up on the screen. So that's another benefit of putting the speed dial entries in there. You get what's a caller ID, just like on your mobile phone. You get their names pop up. And also, to be able to use these speed dial entries, you take note of the 3-digit code in the first column there. To use the speed dial entries, you press the auto dial store button and the 3-digit system speed dial code, and that'll call whatever number is stored under there. Or if you've got an analog device, you press star and the 3-digit speed dial code, and that'll call it from an analog device. So if this customer wanted to call their support, they would press auto dial store 002, and that'll automatically call their support number. Also, as I mentioned before, if their support number calls them, they'll be able to see support on the screen, so they'll easily be able to know who is calling them. Now I want to get out of this, so I'll press the OK button so it saves and closes the screen. Then I'll go up the top and hit the floppy disk icon to save the running config. Okay, because if there's a power outage after you've made changes, it'll go back to the memory it had before it saved the running config, so you don't want that. So you hit OK, then you hit the exit button to get out. Thank you for watching, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe.